Jellies are of phylum Cnidaria. They are of tissue-grade construction and are made up of the following tissues: epithelial tissue, which is the outer covering; the nervous tissue, which is electronically conductive; the connective tissue, which holds the body together; and the muscle tissue, which aids in movement. Jellies have radial symmetry, which means their bodies radiate out from a central axis in all directions. This allows them to perceive and respond to stimuli from every direction. Jellies have only two layers in the embryonic stage, which are the ectoderm and the endoderm. They can reproduce both asexually and sexually. Jellyfish have an alternating life cycle. They switch off between the Medusa stage, which is the mobile jellyfish-looking larva stage, and the polyp stage, which is the sessile cylinder-looking adult stage. Jellyfish have an incomplete digestive system. This means there is a single opening structure. Basically, food enters and waste leaves through the same opening. This gastrovascular cavity is responsible for digestion of food and transportation of nutrients. There are 4 classes in the phylum Cnidaria. This documentary video will inform you on class Scaphozoa. We will learn about the umbrella jelly, the California sea nettle, and the moon jelly.
The Atynia indicans, otherwise known as the umbrella jellyfish, only get as big as 1 inch in diameter. They can be found off the coast of Southern California, Japan, and Russia. These jellyfish are distinguished by 4 radial canals around the bell. Umbrella jellies like to eat eggs, larvae, and other smaller jellyfish. The Crassura fusicans, known as the California sea nettle, are a much bigger jellyfish that can grow to 30 inches wide in diameter and its tentacles as long as 16 feet. These golden brown jellies can be found along the coast of the Pacific Ocean as well as other parts of the world. They have ruffled tentacles that help distinguish them from other jellies. The genus got its name from the Greek mythological character, the son of Poseidon and Medusa, to refer to the magnitude of the sea nettle's sting. In actuality, this jelly's sting has the same intensity to that of a bee sting. Unlike most other jellyfish, who only eat zooplankton and phytoplankton, the sea nettle goes after much larger prey, like minnows and worms. The Aurelia auriata, also known as the moon jelly, are the most abundant species of jellyfish found on Earth. They inhabit all coastal waters in vast numbers. It can be as small as 2 inches or as big as a foot wide. They have short tentacles around the bell and 4 arms around the mouth to draw food in. Like most cnidarians, they are carnivorous. Moon jellies tend to be clear, but they change color depending on what their last meal was.
To conclude, jellyfish are not the only organisms to call the ocean a home. Do your part. Help conserve wildlife and wildlife habitat.
This has been a De La Torre Hall production for CSULA Bio 100A Dr. Willett's class. Thank you for watching.